really, I just appreciate her ongoing encouragement and support. She's just really caring, and I just really appreciate all of her encouragement. I was just really unsure about this process when I started, and I guess I had very little confidence, in myself, and she really tried to build up my confidence and say you can do it, and try to encourage me not to give up and stuff. So yeah.
It was a great experience being in that group coaching, and it kind of led me to start being more active on LinkedIn, which I am forever grateful for because I have gotten clients through there. It was a great experience being in that group coaching, and it kind of led me to start being more active on LinkedIn.
In that program, I learned that it was okay to invest in yourself, and that we should invest in ourselves. Like working in early childhood, we don't get paid a lot of money. So me having to pay, it definitely was like, oh my goodness. But it was definitely worth it. It set me up to understand why I have to continue investing in myself in that way, working with others who are actually doing it, because they've laid a great foundation, and Anisha is laying a great foundation for us.
As an entrepreneur in a field that struggles, especially with early childhood educators that feel that their classroom is their only option, Anisha is definitely somebody I would recommend. She doesn't discriminate when it comes to where you are at in your professional journey as an early childhood educator. You could be a brand new graduate, you could be a veteran, you could be an administrator. She adapts her coaching to where you're at. And that is what makes her the ideal coach for the profession, because you get what you need when you need it. And that's another thing about Anisha. You might find her at the beginning of your career and say, that's great. And then realize 3 years down the road, you're in admin and want to work with her again, because she can offer you something different. And it's all about her being that open coach and having that perspective.